Hey, it's Rachel here with WTI, and I have a ginormous bag of Calendula flowers. These are organic, USDA Organic, and this is a huge amount. I like making tea with it. I like the packaging that these come in. I found the flowers to be super fresh when they arrived, and they're in excellent condition. You can take a look here. There's a lot of the flowers that are still completely whole. And there's so many things that you can do with dried calendula flower. You can make a tea, you can make oil. It's super anti-inflammatory and it's great for the skin. You can also grind them up with some arrowroot powder and make a natural baby powder. It just has endless uses. Here I'm just making a tea, so I'll pour a few tablespoons in and a few cups of hot water, let it steep, and enjoy a delicious cup of tea. So if you're looking for loose leaf calendula dried flowers, try this one out by FGO. I think they're super. I bought these before. This isn't my first time. I love them, and that's my point of view.